Hi everybody and welcome to your Pendulum Magic Masterclass. I'm Alexis J. Alvarez and I will be your host for this magical journey. Let's get started. So first and foremost, I encourage you to download your digital ebook off of your Pendulum Magic Masterclass student page. Okay, so that's going to be like one of the very first things you see on the page. You'll want to follow along with that as we go through these little videos, just because they have a little bit more content than what the slides provide. So you can get a little info there. I also encourage you to grab a notebook and pen if you want to take some notes. There shouldn't be much note taking. The majority of the material is already kind of typed up and written for you within that ebook. So you're pretty much good when it comes to that. So we'll first talk about what a pendulum is, how pendulums have been used throughout history, how pendulums are still used in modern history right now, how you can practically use your pendulum in everyday life, right? How to go about choosing a particular pendulum. We'll cover the different materials, the different shapes and types that the pendulums can come in. Okay, and if you do have a pendulum that you want to bring along for the class, you can go ahead and do so. Maybe you want to practice when we get to learning how to work with your pendulum, and you might want something handy there with you. If you don't have a pendulum yet, no problem. You can wait till the end of this class to determine what type of pendulum is best for you, or you can just grab anything that is a weight suspended on a string or a chain, like a necklace with a charm on it, and practice with that before you get your actual pendulum. Okay, so let's get started.